To continue on with the next phase of our All About Me project, we're going to need a couple of folders. Just ignore these on my screen for now, okay? You won't have those. Now, the first thing we're going to do is create this video project folder, and then we're going to make another folder called Scratch that will let Adobe have a separate place to do its thing. Since I give you the name of the folder at the beginning of each project, I want you to copy and then paste it into the new folder name. And we will need a new folder. This is the other way to make one, called Scratch. Now what we want to do is bring the best of our pictures over from this old project into the new one. If we look in here, you can see I do have several pictures. Let's just pretend that these were not able to be used because they were too small or were missing the image address. But this koala was okay, and I did Photoshop it. We're going to leave this behind. You'll see that here in my original Final Images folder, I do have one picture that I can use. That's why I've provided you with a number of other pictures you can download from the shared folder. Now, I know that I've got one animal, so I'm going to copy the ones that I need. In this case, everything except our frog here. And I'm going to copy and paste them into my official Final Images folder. So when I paste them in here, you'll see they're all big enough and they all have the image address of where they came from. So this Final Images folder, numbered 1 through 9, with all large pictures that have the comments, is ready to be brought over to the new folder. So I can right-click and copy, go to Documents, and go to my Video Project folder so that I can paste. Now if you try and upload this folder as it is right now with nothing except a folder in it, it will do something strange on Google Drive and just put a Final Images folder there. So not to worry, we're going to also get our Word document and copy and paste that. I really like to use my directory tree here for moving around. It's a lot quicker when you can see everything that you have. So the two Final Images folder in my original, and here's my Final Images. I can go straight to here and paste that Word document. Now when I make my backup, I will get the Video Project folder. For the moment, you'll be backing up both of these on a daily basis until we're absolutely sure that this one is finalized. We've moved completely to the new one, and when we do that, we will rename it, put the word Final in front of it, and upload it one more time, and then leave it in that main turn-in folder. It's like a trophy we'll put up on the shelf. You'll leave it there so that we can see them all lined up at the end of the year.